Vi er i Cour Aleine, nede ved stranden på Cour Aleine. Der har vi Arild, Anne og Åshild. Ser ut som Arild har funnet seg en plass i solen, faktisk. Vi er nede ved badestranden i Cour Aleine. Det er innsjø, ferskvann. Vær i dag er upåklagelig. Vi kan vel tippe noen og 20 grader, en par 23. Vi har nettopp vært på en liten sykkeltur. Så vi skuer utover mot innsjøen her. Nede ved flyhavna. Og her har vi da booket en, Åshild og jeg, vi har booket en tur på 20 minutter, så vi skal ta oss en liten sightseeing-tur over laken her. Det gleder vi oss til.
Base in 1946 after World War II. He was teaching people how to fly under the GI Bill. And we have two airplanes here, a Cessna 206 and a Beaver, de Havilland Beaver, which was made in 1956. And these are the pictures of it. It was in Germany during, well, in the 60s. Sembach, Germany in the 60s, and then it went to Norway here, and then it went to Sweden, and then we bought it in 1990. The outfit that builds these floats in Minneapolis, St. Paul, bought 4 of them in Norway, brought them over on a ship and rebuilt them in 1989, and we bought it from this airplane from them in 1990. So we've had it since 1990. It's really truly a good airplane. 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney engine. It'll take off useful loads 1,850 pounds. It's just a wonderful airplane for floats, and it was designed for floats, wheels, and skis. You know. That's the sheriff's boat. He's got to make a big boat right here. The guy's got to slow down over there.